In the name of Allah who is most merciful and beneficial. Assalamu alaikum. I am Zainab. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. Today's headlines. In an extraordinary rebuke of United States President Donald Trump, all 10 living former Secretaries of Defense cautioned Sunday against any move to involve the military in pursuing claims of election fraud, arguing that it would take the country into dangerous, unlawless and unconstitutional territory. Pakistan Democratic Movement, in an impressive Bahawalpur show called the opposition's drive against Imran Khan-led PTI government jihad and announced that stepping back from it would be a major sin. The Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz stands divided on whether to take part in the forthcoming Senate polls or not, as one group support of Pakistan People's Party's stance that the field must not be left open by the ruling party, while the other advocates boycotting the contest, seeing meager benefit for the party. Pakistan has approached the UN Secretary General in New York and the UN High Commission for Human Rights in Geneva to seek an immediate release of Kashmiri activists and political leaders Asia Andrabi, who is incarcerated in the infamous Tihar jail in India. The US government is considering giving some people half the dose of Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine in order to speed vaccination, federal official said on Sunday. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Sunday took notice of the killing 21-year-old Osama Siti, who was shot dead early on Saturday by 5 personnel of Capitol Police Counter-Terrorism Department, and directed Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmed to submit a report to him within 24 hours. The country's educational minister, in a meeting on Monday, decided to reopen educational institutions in the country in phases from January 18. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.